Hello friends, today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z and color name. Black color, dark green color, peach pink color, grey color, white color, brown color, pink color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, sky blue color, purple color, blue color, and red color. Let's draw. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint red color. A for ant, A for ant. Orange color. B. B for banana. B for banana. Yellow color. C. C for cow. C for cow. Light green color. D. D for doll. D for doll. Dark green color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Sky blue color. F. F for fish. F for fish. Pink color. G. G for goat. G for goat. Red color. H. H for hen. H for hen. Orange color. I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Yellow color. J. J for joker. J for joker. Light green color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Dark green color. L. L for leaf. L for leaf. Sky blue color. M. M for mango. M for mango. Pink color. N. N for nest. N for nest. Red color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Orange color. P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Yellow color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Light green color. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Dark green color. S. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. Sky blue color. T. T for train. T for train. Pink color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Orange color. V. V for fan. V for fan. Yellow color. W. W for watch. W for watch. light green color. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Dark green color. Y. Y for yellow color. Sky blue color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.